guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1967 through 77 GM A-Body and Cadillac windshield washer pumps by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Often you'll find that your restoration's windshield washer pump is either not functioning or just plain missing. The windshield washer pump is designed to suck the washer fluid from the washer bottle through the rubber hose to the spray nozzles and onto your windshield. When these components work together, they help efficiently clean debris from your windshield and improving your sightline. Each pump features a steel frame housed in a plastic body. They also include the correctly located prongs and nozzles for incoming and outgoing fluid. In addition, we also pre-punch the mounting holes, so these are ready for installation upon arrival. With several 5-star reviews, you can count on your pump being the highest quality and most authentic reproduction in the industry. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.